Charting the Future, a vision for emergency management in Louisiana. Good evening. My name is Jonathan Johnson. I'm a Petty Officer First Class United States Navy as a hospital corpsman. Been in for over 14 years in the Navy Reserves. Have over 20 years of experience in fire and rescue. Emergency management is, at its core, a team effort. As we embark on this journey together, let me emphasize that our success hinges on collaboration, communication, and a shared commitment to the well-being of the people we serve. Collaboration and coordination among various agencies and organizations and individuals are crucial for effective response and recovery. Together, we can make a difference and save lives by working together towards a common goal. First, I would like to thank everyone for being here. It is vital to foster collaboration amongst our stakeholders. Collaboration among fire departments, law enforcement agencies, emergency medical services, hospitals, city, parishes, federal agencies, and private sector personnel is crucial for effective emergency response and community safety. Together, we can achieve more and better serve our communities. Now let's jump into the key areas that will shape our emergency management department over the next 4 to 5 years. As the new director of emergency management, my primary goal is to enhance the effectiveness of emergency management during incidents by implementing comprehensive training programs, conducting regular drills and exercises, and continuously updating response protocols based on lessons learned from our past events. I aim to improve the coordination and communication between various specialized teams during disasters to ensure a more effective and cohesive response. I plan to improve emergency management effectiveness by strengthening coordination and communication strategies during emergencies, implementing advanced technologies for real-time data sharing and decision making, and enhancing training programs to ensure the readiness of our emergency response teams. We all know that a lot of people really dislike change, but this is going to be a team effort and we all have to work together. I plan to improve effectiveness of our specialized teams during disasters by investing in specialized training for response teams to handle diverse emergency scenarios, and establishing clear protocols for the collaboration between various specialized teams. For example, in Louisiana, we have three task forces. Task Force 1 is based out of New Orleans. Task Force 2 is based out of Baton Rouge. Task Force 3 is based out of Shreveport. These task forces are not just consisted of these cities' fire departments, it's the surrounding areas also. And they train consistently to know each person's manpower and training. I plan to strengthen the fire department's role during disasters by integrating fire department resources seamlessly into a broader emergency medical response framework and developing cross-disciplinary training to enhance the capabilities of our personnel. In the city of Baton Rouge, all firemen are certified EMTs. My goal is to expand this expectation to the entire state of Louisiana. I would like to get advanced care to the citizens that we serve, whether it be EMT advanced or paramedic. I'll foster stronger partnership with private sector entities for resource mobilization and support. I also collaborate closely with elected officials, local public safety agencies, and response organizations to enhance our overall community resilience. Here in Louisiana, our biggest private sectors are industrial. For a few examples, Exxon, Honeywell, Shell. These are just a few companies that have a lot more resources than us, and they're just a phone call away. For they are mostly industrial, and we are more urban. So that's what our specialties and their specialties are. So a lot of training and collaboration. Yeah, a lot of training and collaboration goes hand in hand. I will continue my work with the state and federal agencies by strengthening relationship with state and federal agencies, streamline resources, allocate and response efforts, and advocating for policies that empower local communities in emergency management. My work continues to be focused around our community and the safety of those in it. We all have to remember when we have all these agencies to not get the big head from the big wigs across, because it's a power struggle, and then everybody wants to be in charge. But we have to sit back and think about who we need to be helping, and that's the community. I have begun developing the comprehensive plans for coordinating wildland and firefighting efforts, and establishing robust mutual aid agreements to ensure a swift and effective response to emergencies. We had a lot of lessons learned last year with this wildland firefighting. Here in Louisiana, we are not used to fighting wildland fires. We are very familiar with fighting small brush fires, small grass fires, not hundreds and hundreds of acres. You know, we've been doing a lot of training to catch up because we were way behind times. Gladly, no fireman was injured in the aftermath of all this. There are a number of current and emerging trends that I've considered and will address. Gaining and building trust in the communities. Community engagement initiatives to build trust through transparency and open communication. Establishing feedback mechanisms to address community concerns and needs. We know how hard it is to gain the people's trust when we lose it. Taking care of responders and implementing comprehensive wellness programs for our responders. Ensuring mental health support and resources are regularly available. First, we need to take care of our guys. Our suicide numbers are incredibly too high. Building building equity by increasing diversity in emergency response teams. Prioritizing diverse and inclusive in recruitment and leadership development. Creating an inclusive and supportive environment for all team members. One team, one fight. Training, professional development, and methods for preparing first responders. Investing in continuously training and professional development programs. Implementing cutting-edge methodologies to prepare first responders for evolving changes. We all know that not every emergency can be approached with the same game plan. Just like every fire cannot be fought the same way. No two emergencies are the same. No two emergencies are the same. That's why no two emergencies can be approached with the same methods. In closing, let us embark on this journey together, united in our community to safeguard our communities. I'm confident that with our collective efforts, we will not only meet but exceed the challenges that lie ahead. Together, we will build the future where our emergency management capabilities are unparalleled and our communities thrive in the face of adversity. Thank you for your attending, and I look forward to working closely with each and every one of you. I will now be accepting questions.